Curry, Kerala Thrissur style, is known for its rich flavors and aromatic spices. Here's a recipe to help you make an authentic chicken curry in the Kerala Thrissur style. Ingredients: 1 kilogram chicken, cut into pieces 2 onions, finely chopped 2 tomatoes, finely chopped 3 to 4 green chilies, slit 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 to 3 sprigs curry leaves, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Spice paste: 5 to 6 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cardamom pods, 1 small piece of nutmeg, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger piece. Dry roast all the ingredients for the spice paste in a pan until fragrant. Allow them to cool, and then grind them into a fine powder using a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Add a little water to make a thick paste. Heat coconut oil in a large pot or pan. Add mustard seeds and fennel seeds. Allow them to splutter. Add chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add slit green chilies and curry leaves. Stir well. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Mix well. Add the ground spice paste and cook for a couple of minutes to release the flavors. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy. Add chicken pieces to the pan and mix well to coat them with the spices. Pour in coconut milk and season with salt. Stir everything together. Cover the pan and cook on medium heat for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Stir occasionally and check for the desired consistency. Once the chicken is cooked, sprinkle garam masala over the curry and mix well. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Your authentic Kerala Thrissur style chicken curry is ready to be served. It pairs well with steamed rice, appam, rice pancakes, or roti. Enjoy!